Being excited for a camp table, I don't know how often that happens, but this one we found on Amazon is pretty cool. Let me show you why. Comes in this easy to fold out pouch, and it's the simplest camp table I've ever had. And this table serves not only as a camp table, but it is my grill table as well. Let me show you how easy it is to put together. You got these umbrella arms, this bottom pocket, which just easily clip right here. These arms that are stuck with cord. I'm sure the cord will break over time, but it's a cheap table. You have the tabletop also on plastic. Fold it out. Flip it on. Lock the ends in. Done. What is that, 20 seconds? So let me give you a closer view. The table slides on with these end caps. It's just this elastic. And the bottom pieces just clip right on. And then you have this nice little pocket for storage. Obviously the best thing to store there is the bag. Now we'll line it up here and make some food. And she's lit. Perfect. Oh, look how perfect that is. Waiting for the steaks to rest on.